Hello friends and welcome to my channel Instant Nerd. Today we will learn how to use the AI image generator for text to image in Picsart AI editor. So first of all, make sure you have the application installed and updated. Open the application. Once the application is open, you will see this interface. From the bottom menu, click on plus. And here you will see a lot of options. Now select text to image option. Over here, write your prompt, for example, kangaroo carrying a duck. You can also add specific keywords and select your styles from here, and when you're done, click on generate. Now wait for a while, and over here you will see the results. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel. Please hit the like button and subscribe button as we are about to hit 1000 subscribers. Thank you.